Chinese scientists have just discovered a new potentially habitable exoplanet. Do you know what that could mean? On June 3rd, an international research team led by the Yunnan Observatory of the Chinese Academy of Sciences announced that they had discovered a super-Earth located in the habitable zone, around a sun-like star. Its name is Kepler-725c. This is a planet that could potentially have liquid water and might even support life. It orbits a star called Kepler-725. So how was it discovered? We can't see this planet directly like taking a photo. Instead, it was indirectly inferred through an astronomical technique called transit timing variation, or TTV for short. Put simply, when a planet passes in front of its star from our point of view, it causes a slight but regular dip in the star's brightness. Scientists monitor these tiny changes in light to determine whether a planet is there. TTV goes a step further. It captures subtle variations in the timing of these transit events, which can reveal the gravitational pull between planets. Using this method, Chinese scientists discovered Kepler-725c. Kepler-725c is a super-Earth with a mass around 10 times that of our Earth, and a larger volume as well. Its host star, Kepler-725, is a G9V type star, very similar to our Sun, but younger, only 1.6 billion years old, while our Sun is already 4.5 billion years old. Because of its younger age, the surface magnetic activity of Kepler-725 is also more intense. The most important part is, Kepler-725c is located in the habitable zone. This is a distance from its star that is just right, not so close that water would evaporate, and not so far that water would freeze. This kind of position is ideal for the presence of liquid water. And liquid water is one of the most essential conditions for life as we know it. Kepler-725c is located about 2,500 light years away from us. So, is there life on this planet? That's probably what everyone is most curious about. Although Kepler-725c is larger than Earth and likely has stronger gravity, its environment does not completely rule out the possibility of life. Its host star is very similar to our Sun. The planet is in the habitable zone, and it is still relatively young, which means it may just be beginning to develop a complex environment. As for whether it has carbon-based life like Earth, or whether it has an atmosphere or oceans, we still don't know. But scientists have clearly stated that this planet is a strong candidate for potentially hosting life. Discoveries like this are always exciting. It feels like a mysterious invitation from the universe. In the vast darkness of space, maybe we are not alone. There are hundreds of billions of stars like Kepler-725 and Milky Way, and planets like Kepler-725c. These super-Earths are probably just the tip of the iceberg. Even more importantly, the discovery of habitable planets isn't just about whether life exists elsewhere. It's also about the future of humanity. Our Sun has been burning for 4.5 billion years, and scientists estimate it has about 5 billion years of life remaining. That might sound like a long time, but from the perspective of the universe, it's just a blink of an eye. One day in the future, when Earth is no longer suitable for human life, planets like Kepler-725c might become the next home for mankind. That's one of the reasons why we explore habitable exoplanets. When we look up at the stars, we're not just trying to understand where we come from. We're also searching for a place we could one day go. If one day, humans are truly able to travel across trillions of kilometers and set foot on a planet like Kepler-725c, it would not only be a victory for technology, it would be the continuation of civilization and the realization of a dream on the long timeline of the universe. Maybe life isn't all that rare. Maybe we just haven't found the right frequency to connect. Every time we discover a potentially habitable planet, we take one more small step into the deep unknown. And maybe, just maybe, that step will one day lead us to find another version of ourselves.